No, the title of this video, guys, is not clickbait. I've witnessed the fastest take profit of my entire life. If you don't know what I mean, I will attach a picture on the screen now and you will see that it took price exactly 2 minutes and 1 second to tap me in and smash my TP. This was a trade I took on my prop firm account and also sent in my community, and after it played out, I posted a poll in my community and also on my IG story asking you guys if you want to see a full breakdown video behind this trade, and literally all of you voted for yes, hence why here I am now. It's the next morning recording this breakdown for you guys. And the interesting part is that before taking this beautiful A+ setup, if you are in my community, you know what I'm talking about, we were able to avoid taking a loss on euro dollar. Okay, using the bar replay, I will show you my full thought process. I will show you exactly how I was able to avoid taking a loss to then be able to identify this A+ setup that smashed our TP in literally 2 minutes. So let's get right into it. Here I was, okay? This is exactly when I opened the chart. First thing that I did is I marked my liquidity levels on the hourly time frame, okay? We had this varied high here as the upper liquidity level, and for the lower liquidity level, I was able to identify this varied low right here. And guess what? It was lining up perfectly with this low. We had essentially 2 equal lows. And guess what? This was also the lowest point of the day. So that was also an extra layer of confidence. And we can see that price liquidated this low. It took it out, and immediately after that, it tapped into this H1 fair value gap, which is a good higher time frame confluence. And then I also checked the 4-hour and the daily. And the 4-hour, we can see that we have a 4-hour fair value gap as well. So essentially we have an H1 plus H4 PVG. That's really good. And then I also checked the daily, but on the daily I wasn't able to see anything. On the 4-hour, what I liked is that the fractal structure was bullish. We can see that the fractal break was this one here. Price was looking bullish, and now price approached the discounted area of this 4-hour bullish range. Once again, another reason for us to expect a rejection from this area and for the price to push higher, okay? Knowing that, I then went on the 1 hour. I extended this line over here to have the confluences visible on the 5-minute as well. And after that, I hopped on the 5-minute time frame. And you all know that now this could be an A+ potential depending on what? Depending on the market structure shift. For the new people, what do I mean by this? Basically, although the higher time frame confluences look great, I will not click the buy button just yet. I will wait for a confirmation on the 5-minute time frame. What is the confirmation? An aggressive market structure shift. If I don't see an aggressive shift, I will not take the setup, no matter how good the higher time frame confluence might look. Okay, so now let's play the price and see in real time exactly what was going through my mind. We can see that now price is impulsively moving towards the upside, and check this out, guys. Check this out. We have a shift right here. We broke structure right here on the 5-minute. We broke this high. We also have these 2 good looking gaps, these 2 fair value gaps. And you would say that structure is looking pretty good. Why not enter a buy on this second PVG? Stop loss below the low, targeting 2RR. I agree, at the first glance, this is a decent looking setup. However, I decided not to take it. And if you're in my community, you already know why, because literally in real time as this setup was happening, I sent a video in my community explaining why we avoided this trade that essentially turned out to be a loss. Okay, so the reason I decided to not take this trade is very simple. Although the volume was looking pretty good, we can see that we have these 2 bullish candlesticks that had really good looking bodies, okay, and small wicks. This shows me bullish momentum. We also have 2 good looking gaps. Even though we have these, I decided not to take this setup because we had a wick market structure shift. Why? Check this out. This candlestick here only wicked above this level and failed to close above it. I wanted to see a full body closure above this level in order for me to have a confirmed aggressive market structure shift and then take the setup. When I saw this here, I saw it as a liquidity sweep, and I expected the market to do this. Basically go lower, maybe have a small fake out, push lower, liquidate the buyers, and then potentially give the A+ setup. Okay, now let's play the price together and see what happens. We can see that it tapped this VVG. Initially, it had a pretty decent reaction, faking out some more buyers, trapping some more buyers in the market. And then check this out, everyone gets liquidated, okay? Everyone that entered a buy there gets liquidated, and essentially my thesis was respected. Exactly as I drew it, that's exactly what it happened. Of course, I'm not saying this to make it seem that I know exactly what the next move will be. No, that was just my thesis, and it happened to play out that way. And we can see that this low was liquidated as well. If anything, more buyers were stopped out, okay? Now, let's play the price and see if we can get our A+ setup. Still, no A+ setup. We can see that the price is moving lower. Some more buyers are being liquidated. Some more liquidity is gathering, and that's good because, in my opinion, it's fueling up the move that will occur. Basically, it fills up the tank. Over here we have another liquidation, okay? And then check this out. Finally, price broke out to the upside, smashing this high right here. It broke it very impulsively. And we can see that now we do have an aggressive shift. Why? Very simple. We have a full body closure above this high. That confirms that yes, indeed, this is an aggressive market structure shift. We also have a good looking gap that was left behind. And this is exactly where I wanted to enter the buy limit on this gap with the stop loss below, targeting, of course, 2RR. Okay, after I placed the buy limit, I also sent it in my community. And on that note, guys, if you like me and you would like to work with me one-on-one and also get access to the private community, if you click the first link down below, you will be able to apply for it. Okay, so now let's play the price, guys. Let's play the price exactly when we got triggered in this trade right here. And now I want to hop on the 1 minute and show you exactly how fast this trade played out. So it triggered at 09, which was right here, okay, on this candlestick. You guys saw it from the MetaTrader pick. And then check this out. This candle was sleeping, and then with the next one, the TP was smashed, okay? We can see that this one candle did the whole job. And yeah, that's exactly how I was able to have a 2 minute take profit, which was, like I said, the fastest TP of my entire life so far. I'm not sure if I'm gonna beat this record, if I'm being totally honest. And yeah, it was a great way to start a week. I'm not gonna lie. It was a great way to start the week. A beautiful A+ setup on Monday, and also knowing that we took this setup after avoiding taking a loss. It was a great feeling to start the week on this note. I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, this was pretty much the setup. Many people in my community were able to secure beautiful profits with this trade on their prop firm challenges, on their live funded accounts, on their personal accounts. I will attach some pictures on the screen for you guys to see what I am talking about. And yeah, let me know if there's any questions, any unclarities down below. Let me know if you enjoy these type of videos, because I'll definitely do more. Lately, I've seen you guys enjoy these type of breakdown videos. That's why I thought to do this one as well, especially that it was a record-breaking trade for me. And yeah, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future uploads. Share and like the video, that'll be very much appreciated. Until the next one, if you guys want to see a challenge where I tried passing a 200k prop firm account in less than 1 week, make sure to watch this video right here. And lastly, I want to wish you all the best and take care.